There are many products available to choose best helmet, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compile a list of reviews, and compile a list of the best helmet from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's number 1. Smith Optics Mainline MIPS Bike Helmets. The Mainline MIPS is a newer model from Smith. This lightweight full face was designed with input from Smith's professional enduro racers. It's pretty darn light, although a couple of ounces heavier than some of the other enduro-focused models we've tested. This model has a more substantial, confidence-inspiring feel. Smith's use of Corrid helps maintain a high level of coverage and impact protection, while still delivering excellent ventilation. This airflow is critical when smashing on the pedals in the middle of an enduro stage, or grinding up that pesky climb in the middle of your shuttle lap. The Mainline carries a DH certification, and it felt more robust than some of the other helmets in the enduro subcategory. Yes, there are lighter options, but we feel the Mainline is an ideal blend of weight, ventilation, comfort, and protection. We love the Mainline for its substantial feel and excellent weight-to-protection ratio, but it does come with some compromises. If ventilation is of the utmost importance, there are better options available. Yes, the Mainline has above-average airflow, but some models breathe a little better. Also, we don't think this is the best choice for dedicated bike park riding or downhill racing. It is DH certified, but we'd recommend looking at a heavier-duty DH-specific helmet. The Mainline MIPS is on the pricey side of the spectrum, but we feel its quality and performance justify the asking price. Number 2. Fox Rampage Pro Carbon MIPS. We feel the best full-face downhill helmet is the Fox Rampage Pro Carbon MIPS, which posted the highest among the beefy downhill models we tested. If we are going to ride big, sketchy freeride lines or frequently ride at race speed, this is the helmet we would reach for every single time. This top-of-the-line helmet has a carbon fiber shell paired with dual-density EPS foam and a MIPS rotational impact protection system. It has good coverage, a snug fit, and a highly protective, robust feel. Additionally, this helmet has a clever breakaway visor with screws designed to shear off and release the visor upon impact. Despite this helmet's heavier weight and heavily padded feel, the ventilation levels remain decent. Unfortunately, this helmet isn't flawless. It feels very secure and protective, but certainly fits a little snugly. This is due to the generous, thick padding on the inside, which we found loosened up slightly over time. The range of uses is also a tad narrower than some other options we tested, as this is a full-on DH helmet suited for racing and big freeride lines. Other models are more versatile and offer lower weight and better ventilation. Though we feel this helmet is the best of the best, it's not for everyone. So, if you are searching for something more versatile that's comfortable enough. Number 3. Elite Gravity 2.0. The Elite Gravity 2.0 is a functional full-face helmet and an excellent value. Sure, this wallet-friendly lid may not have all of the bells and whistles found on high-end helmets, but there is no denying that it gets the job done. This helmet delivers a nice fit and a high level of comfort. Protection levels are solid, and it is very nice to see a rotational impact protection system for a helmet in this price range. This lid is a wonderful option for the rider that is dipping their toes into the gravity mountain biking scene and doesn't want to break the bank. The Gravity 2.0 has a couple of notable flaws. First, it offers poor ventilation and airflow. It only has 11 vents that are covered with a very thick wire mesh material. The lack of airflow paired with the heavily padded area inside of the helmet makes this lid very, very warm. Even when testing the helmet in cool temperatures, it felt quite hot. Another item worth mentioning is the protection levels are about average in this relatively slender helmet. Hardcore riders looking to push the limits in terms of speed and sendiness should look for a more substantial. Number 4. Troy Lee Designs D3 Fibolite. The Troy Lee Designs D3 Fibolite is a high-end helmet with an impressive price tag. The D3 Fibolite borrows many features from the more expensive models in the Troy Lee line and packages them in a more affordable fiberglass shell. This helmet delivers a high level of comfort with plush padding and a crowd-pleasing fit. The heavier construction is confidence-inspiring, and we felt secure and well protected at high speeds and while hitting jumps. This lid is moderately priced, but we feel it represents an excellent blend of quality and price. The D3 Fibolite isn't exactly perfect. It is one of the heaviest helmets in our lineup and is not the helmet we would choose for anything but pure gravity riding. It is best suited for riding lifts at the bike park, racing, and burly freeriding. We also found its ventilation/breathability to be a little below average. Though we feel it is a very protective helmet, it does not come with any sort of rotational impact protection system. For a lightweight helmet, Number 5. Gyro-Insurgent Spherical. The Gyro-Insurgent Spherical is a proper DH helmet that offers a comfortable fit and versatile attitude. This lid has a traditional padded/pillowy feel, and the fit is extremely consistent without any pressure points or loose areas. The Insurgent provides true all-day comfort. Despite feeling like a pure downhill helmet, the relatively low weight makes this helmet very versatile. It is happy as a clam-banging bike park laps, but it isn't out of the question for enduro racing. The biggest compliment we can say of this helmet is our testers consistently reached for the Insurgent over much of the competition for our full-face-worthy adventures. Like the other modders on our roster, this helmet isn't perfect. The padded and pillowy feel is comfortable and secure feeling, but it can also make things quite toasty in warm temperatures. When ridden back-to-back with enduro-oriented helmets, the Insurgent simply can't match the airflow or breathability. It can get soggy fairly quickly. Another thing we should point out is that more and more manufacturers are moving towards fidlock magnetic closure systems to secure their helmets, but the Insurgent uses a traditional D-ring system. While this design is bomb-proof and secure, there is no doubt that it is much harder to use, especially while wearing gloves. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life